Listen to the story Salted Crabs. In a village far away, there was a boy named Johan. Johan had a white rooster named Carly and a black dog called Chai. Johan loved to talk and play with Carly and Chai all day long. He imagined the three of them were great explorers, but the people in the village knew that Johan was very careless. He was also lazy. His pets knew it too. One afternoon, he was playing near the village pond. His mother called him, "Johan, I need some salt. Go to Mickey's shop and buy some. And buy 5 nice fat crabs also." "Okay, mother, I will go right away," he said. For Johan, it meant he could go exploring new places. Johan set off for the market with Carly and Chai. On the way, some people asked him if he was selling his rooster. Carly fluffed his feathers angrily. Carly fluffed his feathers angrily. Johan was not going to sell him. He was going to buy salt and crabs for his mother. Carly wandered about following Chai as he chased every moving thing. Johan walked ahead. Finally, they reached Mickey's shop. Johan asked for some salt and 5 crabs. There was a big basket with live crabs on the floor. Carly pecked at the crab and made it angry. Chai sniffed around the crabs and one crab almost pinched his nose. Mickey put the crabs in a small cane basket and the salt in a white paper bag. He gave them to Johan. As Johan left the shop, he heard his friends called out to him, "Johan, what are you doing? Come and sell paper boats with us." His friends were having so much fun playing near the river. "Come on, Carly, Chai, let's go and have some fun." Carly and Chai looked up at Johan. "What about the crabs and the salt mother asked for?" they seemed to ask. Johan understood their question. "We will send the crabs home. I'll put the salt on them. Mother will get salted crabs," he said. He emptied the packet of salt on the crabs. Then he took the crabs out of the basket. The crabs winked at each other and started running. "Now go home quickly. Mother is waiting. Turn right at the crossing. It is the last house in the lane," Johan shouted to them. The crabs waved their pincers at Johan. They quickly found their way to the river and disappeared. Johan joined his friends. "Where is your boat, Johan?" his friends asked. "Here it is," he said, showing them the folded white salt packet. Johan continued to play with his friends till sunset. Then he waved goodbye to his friends and started for home. As they were returning, Chai heard a familiar whistle. He began tugging at Johan's trouser. "Oh, mother is calling. I must hurry," said Johan. When he reached his house, his very angry mother was waiting at the door. "Where are the crabs and the salt I asked you to get, Johan?" "The crabs could walk, so I sent them home. I put the salt on them so that they could carry it home to you. I even told them the way home, but the disobedient crabs must have taken a shortcut through the river. I'll go and find them, Johann said with great confidence. Johann's mother laughed. Then her face began to turn red. Johann rushed towards the river. Carly and Chai followed him.